Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. If you're new to my channel, it will be great if you go and click that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. So coming back to this vlog, I have something really important and very useful tips which I have applied in my life and which has definitely helped me a lot in becoming a better person. You know what guys, it's so difficult to manage thick and wavy hair. I really like straight hair. I had done keratin 2 years back, but then it didn't last for really long, though I knew like it'll last just for like few months, like 3-4 months. But yeah, I want to do it again. Probably this time I'll go for permanent smoothing or something like that. I don't like straightening. Let's see, but it's for future. For now I just want to spend on some good straightener or something like that. This is like the 50% which is remaining, you know. I had really thick hair when I was young. When I used to go to school, my mom used to put me oil every day, and yeah, those two plaits and all these things. Like I have really thick hair. So guys, in the beginning of the video, I was just telling about some tips, right, of how to become a better person in terms of to grow yourself, basically what I did. So I thought I'll be sharing it with you all. So the first thing which I improved in myself is self-confidence. Getting that self-confidence within me was so difficult. I was really a shy kid. Like it was so difficult for people to push me and so that I can go and do something. I used to not even participate in any of the events in school. I was that scared and that very shy. I used to think people will judge me, people will not like what I'll do. So the first thing which I did was improving that self-confidence within me. So yeah, I would recommend you all to just be very confident about yourself. Don't think that people will judge you or they will not like you. It's not like we should do things what people will like. We should do things which we like. Garmi is like next level, so I'll just go inside and I'll just talk to you guys. I want to keep my phone somewhere, so I'll just try keeping it here. Yeah. I hope, yeah. So the next point is, accepting and recognizing your weakness. Like when you know, right, where you're going wrong and where you feel weak, so accept that and recognize and then work on it. So I think that's what I did in my life. Like my weakness was I can't talk to people. If 10 people comes to me, I used to get very scared, and I started talking, I started giving presentations. Even now I get scared. It's not like I've become very professional in that.
She's still a stupid, guys.
Shut up. So he confused me. I forgot the point, and this is like
This is the thing, no? She is so confused and she's so stupid that she always needs my help. So yeah.
obviously elder brother should always help his sister. Sorry. Coming back to the video.
No.
Coming back to the
No,
point.
wait. So basically, I would be taking all the credits for whatever she is today. Because she said that she needs all my support, right? So yeah.
Yes, I would give this credit to him because he has pushed me a lot. He has helped me a lot to become a better person. He's like, it's okay if people, judge you. You go, you do your thing and come.
Aww.
Okay. So, okay, finally coming back to the point. So I was telling accepting and recognizing your weakness. It's really important, guys. If you don't know where you're going wrong, then you will never ever learn. So try to learn a lot, like from your mistakes, from your past and from your surroundings and everything. And definitely this will help you a lot. I'm telling it from my personal experience. Third point is always be positive. I'm seeing here, I should be seeing here. Okay. So always be positive. It's okay if you go wrong once, if you fail once, the next time or the third time you will win. So never get very disappointed in life. Always be positive. I remember my first presentation in class was so pathetic. I literally feel so embarrassed even now. But it's okay. I'll be like, okay, that's like the past. That's my first presentation. I fumbled. I was like so confused. I forgot all my points, and my teacher there sitting with that very strict face, and she started scolding me, and that was like really bad. I think teachers should also support and encourage that it's okay if you're going wrong, continue. But that didn't happen that day. But it's okay, guys. We should learn from that, and now I feel I'm a better person in giving presentations. So always be positive about your failures and about your whatever bad thing happened. So that's one more point. And one more thing, last thing is very very important. Always come out of your past very soon. Don't stick to that for a very long time. If something didn't happen didn't happen in your life, maybe it's for some reason. So maybe it's like maybe something better is coming up in your life. Always come out of your past very soon. Don't stick to it. Don't keep thinking about it. And also it depends on your surroundings, like who are you surrounded with. Those people should be very supportive, very encouraging. Your family, your friends, or anybody it is. Choose the right people in your life. So that's very important. That's it for the day, guys. I hope you all liked it. I hope you find one point also useful for yourself. From मेरे छोटे से experience से मैंने कुछ try किया बोलने के लिए. So I hope you all will like it. And if anything is there for me to improve, please do suggest me in the comment section below. I would take it in a positive way and learn from that, and it will be really good if you all suggest me where I can improve, because these are my first vlogs ever. I have never ever been so camera friendly. So yeah, thank you. I don't want to make it too long. In today's vlog I have spoken a lot. Actually from the start I'm only talking. So but yeah, this was my motive today, to give some useful tips for you all from my personal experience. So thank you. If you like it, please do share, subscribe and like this video. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be up really soon, hopefully. Bye bye, take care.